In today's video, we are going to be doing a 1v1 random lure tournament on this loaded lake. Me versus Jason, aka J Boujee. What I did is I wrote down every single bait, cut them out and put them in that white bucket right there. We have everything from Senkos, curly tail worms, craws to hard bait, crankbaits, swim baits. We have just about every lure you can think of, spinner baits. We have it all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick our hand, take turns sticking our hand in here and pick a bait. The key to it, rule number one, is you cannot advance to the next bait until you catch a fish on the one that you picked out the bucket. First one to catch a fish on every bait wins. The catch to this though is the very last bait is going to be a topwater bait. First one to catch a fish on every bait wins the tournament. All right. You want to pick first? I'll let you pick first since you're the guest.
Let me go first, huh?
Yeah, since you're the guest. You might get the good one.
I don't know. I'm going with the first one I touched. Crawl.
Crawl. Okay. You got the crawl, so I've got, what does that say? Curly tail worm. Okay, so those are the two baits. We're gonna tie them on. Get out there, get fishing. You cannot move on to the next bait until you catch one with the one you just picked. So let's tie them on and get started. All right, we are going to tie on this old curly tail worm. I've got to. You can start as soon as you tie it on too. So. I'm gonna go with this 6 cents curly tail worm that they make, and I'm going to take this one with me just in case. See you later, sucker. All right, sucker.
Eddie thinks he's gonna jump off and beat us real quick. Let's try out these old stroker crawls. Come back here.
I'm starting right here, guys. The trick is gonna be, if we go all the way to the other side of the pond, when you catch a fish, you're gonna have to run back to retie. So you're gonna really have to think about what you want to do. Oh, what if I caught one on first cast? That'd be crazy. Water's a little bit dirtier. We got some rain, some heavy rain yesterday. Oh, I lost him. No, he came off. He tore my worm. There's like a 3-pounder swimming right in front of me.
That's what he gets, guys, for trying to jump out there in front of somebody.
I might have to go try this off the dock just because I'm catching so much grass. But I know there's fish here because I can see them swimming around. I'm going to the dock. I gotta do it. Ugh.
All right, guys, let's go over here to that shallow area. Might be a little bit more grass, but I might be able to trigger a bite a little quicker. Oh, I know I got that on camera. That was a big jump. It's a green pumpkin lettuce or something like that. Starburst, or I don't know. Green pumpkin with some flake in it. How about that? There we go. Yes, sir. He's a good one.
Oh, crap.
Yes, sir. Maybe not as good as he felt, but he'll work. Chill out, guy. Chill out. All right. We're one up on Mr. Eddie, and I get to change baits. He's pretty small. but can't catch them all unless you start with them small. Mr. Teal Fishing will say all the time. Let's go see what our next one is.
There he is. Oh, I lost him. I lost him. Oh my God. Come on.
He's having a hard day out there. All right, where's our bucket? Let's give it a little shake. Try not to look down in it. Feels like I got one. Let's see what we got, guys. The bandito bug. Really? I basically was just fishing that. All right, guys. Let's switch it up to the bandito bug.
Oh, there's a bass right in front of me, guys. Like literally just right in front of me. Right there. Oh, did you guys see that? No way. No way. Oh, why can I not catch a fish?
Let's try this. I think my hook's a little too big for this, but we're gonna make it work. And go right back out there where we caught that other one. See if he's got a friend in that area. Oh, we missed him. Yes, sir. Biggin. 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 Get your butt up here. Don't you hook me.
Might have to go back and find another color or something, guys.
Boy, she's a little chunkier.
No way, man. This curly tail's whooping my butt.
All right, that's two.
We've got to make a color change, guys. We've got to make something happen here. He's getting too far ahead from me. He's on his third bait. I'm still trying to catch my first one.
What's it gonna be? The trench hog, another Texas rig style bait.
I am literally just casting and reeling so fast, trying to get a quick reaction strike so I can get this bait. I'm so tired of throwing it already.
Man, y'all gonna have to write this one down in the record books, y'all. Eddie's finally getting beat at one of his own challenges. There he is. There he is. Get in here, little guy. That's three. That is three. I believe I move on to top water now. I have to go get the pliers for him. Another little one. Let's pick us a topwater. And my topwater is the revolver. Oh, Eddie, he's across the pond, struggling, still on the first one. And here we are moving on to topwater. Got mine here in the green. Mr. Eddie over there is still on his first bait, no fish, has missed several bites. I'm on my fourth one and fixing to finish it off.
Got him. Yes, bring it, get him in, get him in. Get in here, get in here. Let's go. I saw him swimming. Let's go, let's go. There's my first one, guys. Get him in. I gotta go. Ah, finally. Tell you what, I'll never throw another curly tail worm in my life. Hey, hey, hey. I made it. We need to hurry. Yo, what is it? Come on. What we got here? Yes! Any lure, guys. Any lure. Alright. Take that out. Wacky worm. It doesn't even matter. I just need one. We're going with this one. This is the first one I found. Front of the truck. Come on, fish. There he is. There's number 2. Come back, baby. Let's go. First cast with it. Here we go. Come back. There's number 2, guys. Yes, yes, yes.
See what he did? He touched my reel and now I got a backlash.
Let's go. Let's catch up. Shake, shake, shake. Just grab one. I'll grab 2. What is this? Oh, no way. Look at this, guys. It's a Senko. I can't make this up. Let's go. Let's go. He took my worm, so I am literally just gonna grab another one. Same color. It worked. Let's get back out there.
There he is, guys. There's number 4.
No! He has his last fish, guys.
Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Game over.
He got me, guys. Fair and square. I was making a comeback. I could not believe I couldn't catch one quicker on this Senko.
Game over, guys. Oh, Eddie has lost. There's the game-winning fish on the revolver. Title belt.
What's up, champ?
What's happening, loser?
That curly tail worm whooped my butt. I was trying to make a comeback. Good stuff. Well, guys, J Boujee put the hurting on me today. I really thought for a second I was thinking to myself, he's gonna skunk me. I can't believe I'm gonna get skunked in my challenge. But then things twisted. I almost made a comeback on him, but he came through, got the last one on the revolver topwater, and went ahead and sealed the deal on me. So
yes, sir.
He got me on this challenge. This is actually our first challenge we've ever done together. So we've got a couple of other ones planned that we're gonna do in the future. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you guys enjoy these challenges, please let me know down in the comments. I've got a couple of other ones lined up from that you guys have suggested. I'm I try to get around to all of them, but sometimes I can't do it. But I promise you, if you left me a comment of a challenge you wanted to see, I've got it saved somewhere on my phone. So peace.